How to factory reset my Starlink router here on my device step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you or guide you the steps. Firstly, identify your router model, determine your Starlink router model. Generation 1 features a reset button on the bottom. Generation 2 lacks a physical reset button, reset via power cycling. Generation 3 includes a reset button located between two internal ports on your router. So this is about the reset button where it is located. Second thing is we have to perform the factory reset right with my router here. For generation 1, locate the reset button on the bottom of the router. Press and hold the reset button using a paper clip or similar tool for about 10 seconds and then release the button, wait for the router to reboot. For generation 2, simply do a power cycle. Repeat the process for about 6 times in a row. You simply have to switch it on and then off. After the cycle, leave the router plugged in and wait for it to reboot. Now, generation 3 will be locate the reset button between the two internal ports on the back of the router. Press and hold the reset button using a paper clip or something like that. Release the bottom and wait for the router to reboot. And then after that, you simply have to reconfigure your network. That will be step 3. After the router has started, connect the default Wi-Fi network named Starlink. Open the Starlink app on your device, then navigate to the setting, then click on router. It will be the way you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.